Hello, I'm Isaac. I bought a bunch of cameras, GoPros, Nikons, all the like, thinking that do something creative with my time. You can see everybody got this lockdown, this quarantine thing, and they got to spend time learning how to do things that they wanted to do, like make dog food or bake pies. Quit your crappy job and get a new one. Telecommuting is the way now. Not for me. I've been working the whole time. Here's my work van. Have not stopped working the whole quarantine. But I got a new toy. I'll tell you about it shortly. So I've now installed a GoPro on my, this is called the King Song 16S. This piece, in retrospect, might come off someday in a crash. You can see it does take damage right here. This is a susceptible area for things to happen. Here's a problem I'm seeing today. This is Oregon, and it might rain on me. I'm trying not to drive my car if I don't have to. So I might just put this off till tomorrow. Safety first. Always safety first. Yeah. This is one of those unfortunate things about my channel that you might have to put up with for a while. I'm loving this Carhartt hoodie, and I don't want to give it up, even though I know it is not very fashionable. But my fashion statements have never been quite sound anyway. So you'll notice here, if you're paying attention, that there's things about Portland that look kind of homeless. You definitely see them in a car, but you definitely see them on the bicycle. They hate to try to walk through here. Sure, if I go this way. GPS. There. I'm not going to tell you where I'm going. It's because I give them enough money and they don't need any free advertising. They need to give me some free stuff, and they're not going to do it. So I'm going to try to not put their title. Oh, they're going to get some free advertising. Here we go. I have arrived now. All right, here it is. My first unboxing. Got a selfie stick. Oh gosh, I hate these boxes. Just rip them to shreds every time. Look, I didn't even open the pretty side. It's convenient that I did this right next to a trash bin. A 2-year-old and a Christmas present. Simple enough. Alright, now let's see how this works. What just happened is I went to buy an expensive toy, so I didn't have the expensive toy. They had the cheap toy that I wanted to buy, so I bought it. That's a selfie stick. Now, if I'm fast enough, I can race to the other and find the other toy, which will definitely up my selfie game quite a bit. Here's what I'm riding on.
Turn right onto North Hayden Island Drive.
I hate to say it, but the odds are going to be better me getting this done if I take the car. Mad dash back to my automobile. Someday I'll give that dang thing up. So I'm just going to take up the middle of the road. My homeless green hoodie. Sidewalk riding is illegal in a lot of places. You never know, but it seems like the only safe way, and I know that this is a bike route. Google Maps tells you if you're on a bike route or not. Sometimes they send you on things that might get you killed, but they try to tell you. Do you see why I want to get rid of my car? You see all that? I could be stuck in that right now. Instead, I'm racing in my car to go get stuck in traffic going somewhere else. I spent thousands and thousands of dollars at that store, that big box store. But they don't treat me very good when I go in there. They treat me like a bum. Or they treat everybody that way. And they just don't have any customer service at that store. But I have this problem with buying stuff and walking out of the store with it. I prefer to do things that way rather than wait online. I'm sure I'll tell you why eventually.